She's gone, and it's all my fault! No!
Mama?
We're gathered here today to honor an amazing person. We'll all miss her very, very much. She was a beloved wife, mother, and friend, leaving behind a husband and a son. Though her end may have been tragic, it resulted from an act of love.
It's my fault!
Dog Day, would you like to say some words?
I would just like to say, Miss Dog Day was the world's best wife and the world's best mother. And now, she's gone, and it's all my fault! Why must she be taken from us so soon? Why?
Dog Day, let's get you some water. I think you need a break.
I miss her so much.
Jeez, he's taking it pretty hard.
Are you surprised? Miss Dog Day was his whole world. You'd be taking it pretty hard, too.
You're right. I just hope he can start to feel a little better soon.
We just have to make sure we're here for his family.
Yeah, we can do that.